Hello and welcome to this course on building your first glass theme for your web design project. The goal of this course is to help you create the nicest looking glass footer which you can use later in all your projects. In this course, we'll learn everything you need to know in order for you to understand all that we are doing. Simply, you do not need to know anything about HTML5 or CSS3. You just need to watch and learn. I created this course to get you inspired and motivated, given that I quit so many times when I was starting out because I was learning a lot yet producing very poor designs. The whole journey became boring and exhausting. No doubt you will face it when you begin, but we can avoid this if we first build a very nice project, and then with that strong sense of accomplishment, we will then be motivated to learn anything, and I mean anything web design and development. I know the promo video says it all, so let's take a look at what we'll be building in this course. It is a very cool looking footer which has lots of awesome features. It uses CSS transitions and animations, and simply there is nothing else like this, guys. First of all, we'll learn how to use the text editors, where we'll even get deeper into Sublime Text plugins that will help us speed up our workflow tremendously. Next, I'll teach you the very basics, yet the most useful part of HTML5 and CSS3. When we are up and running, we'll put all that we have learned into making the greatest glass footer ever. Additionally, I'll give you a very cool bonus lecture that will get you more excited. After all this, what next? Yes, we are done. That's all. A course designed to motivate you need not be lengthy, but very clear, concise, and fun. Note, however, that I'll be taking my time to talk, hence you are free to increase the playback speed. To sum up this lecture, let's get the ball rolling. Thanks for taking this course, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.